Welcome and welcome back. I'm Martin and here is today's question. Can your textural, evolving or even orchestral library do something like this in only one preset? In today's video, I would like to show you how you can create a preset like this, and at the end of the video, I will even show you how you can easily underscore a movie scene if you have something like this, which is constantly moving, but not only evolving, but has even these rhythmic elements in it. With the 3-channel mixer that you find in Heavyocity's flagship libraries like Vento, Forzo, Novo, the Novo packs, the Essential series, or even Symphonic Destruction, it's easy to combine 3 different sound sources and then make them behave each in its very own way. Yes, you can do this even with other libraries, maybe then combining and creating multis. But the cool thing here is you can do it within one instrument, within one preset, and then if you like the result, you just save it as a snapshot and you don't have to blow up even your memory footprint with something like this. I had a hard time, to be honest, to choose if to do it with Vento or with Forzo or with Novo. I went for Vento at the very end because I pretty much love the woodwind sound, and let's do this. For this video now, we will really start from scratch. I will go here to the init with all macros off, and then we work from scratch to create a preset like this. As you can see, you do have here the 3 different channels. We start with channel 1, where you can choose your sound source. I will solo this, for example, the high ensemble or the low ensemble, and then here you do have all the various articulations. I will go for the very low stuff with the loops, in this case with the mid ambience. Let's see. Yeah, I think this one is pretty cool, but I would like to limit it only to the lower range. So what you do is just bring up channel 2 and channel 3 here to the from the mid on, and then I will just lower this bar. So you see there isn't nothing anymore playing, it's only playing in the low register. And that's it for channel 1. We head over to channel 2, solo this. Here I would like to have the flutes. I will even here lift the microphone position to mix, and then we go to something like stereo waves, maybe random vibrato is even cool, or the subtle pulses. Yeah, I will go for them, and then we go to channel 3, and on channel 3 I would like to have the clarinets on the close mic position with the round robins. But as I would like to have them moving by itself, I go here to the cycle engine. You can see channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and I switch on the cycle engine only here on channel 3. Let's play this. This is what's happening at the moment, and you can see here the chain. You can select up to 8 patterns. I don't want that today. I just want pattern 1. I don't want to have the start time animated. I switch this off and I leave the start at the very beginning without any random. Then the rate, I will set here the rate on 4th triplets, and in this case 8 steps is enough for this video. I will animate the velocity to have it very much interesting, something like this maybe. You see, it's already getting quite interesting, and then we go even to the panning. I will animate the panning. I will go really nuts here with this, something like this, really all over the place. Left, right, something like this. And we are nearly there. If I now play the flutes and clarinets together, it's already pretty nice. But I didn't even touch the effects yet. So we go to the master effects, to the bass. On channel 1, 2, 3, on channel 1, I will switch on a little bit of reverb to have a little bit of glue if I switch keys, and then on channel 2, where I do have the flutes, I will do pretty much the same, just to have it a little more bound together. And then on channel 3 instead, where we do have the staccato, I will switch on delay on 8th notes. Yeah, we're nearly there. If I play it now with both hands, it already sounds like this. Nice, but we can take it a step further on channel 3, where I do have the clarinets. Remember those? I can switch on even an arpeggiator with a random movement to get this. So I really have the clarinets not only playing the chords but random notes. Then we switch on everything again. Of course, for the 3 channels you do have the volume, the panning and the tuning, and then if you would like to have the staccato round robins a little more in the foreground, just blow up a little bit their volume. You see, it's not only evolving, or it's not only rhythmical, you have all of that in one preset. If you like it, you know, you go to the snapshot, you save it at the name as you want, and you can always recall it then. And we didn't even touch the macro sequencer here. So if you would like to see even how we can go to the next step involving even the macro sequencer, animating all those parameters, let me know in the comments. I can make another video then showing you how to switch on even the macro sequencer on this. So let's check out how this preset works if you use it to underscore a movie scene. See you in the next video or in the next live stream. Bye bye.